Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change date and time on MacBook. To do this, you just need to go and click on the Apple icon on the top left of the screen. And after that, click on System Settings. In System Settings, you should go to General, and after that you will find an option called Date and Time. You click on it, and after clicking on Date on Time, you have two options. The first one is to set it, like set time and date automatically. So it's related to your Apple account and your geographical presence. But if you don't want that and you want it to be like manual setting, maybe you want to change your time, and it's up to you. You just deactivate this option and approve that. And after that, you have here the option to set your time and date. And after you complete, you just click on set. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.